Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. This is Shahid Raza, Assistant Professor, University of Education, Lahore, Multan campus. Welcome to join this lecture. I hope you will be fine. As you know, we are discussing the course Introduction to Guidance and Counseling. And in previous lectures, we were discussing the role of guidance and counseling personnel, in which we discussed different roles related to guidance and counseling. We discussed the role of teacher as a guide and counselor. We also discussed the role of administrator as a guide and counselor, as well as we also discussed the role of teacher as a career counselor for providing authentic counseling to his clients related to career opportunities. The role of teacher as a guide and counselor is very important to understand, and we discuss in detail about the role of teacher in guidance and counseling process. My dear students, there may be so many issues that may arise or may come. Students may face at any stage, at any time in classroom situation as well as outside classroom situation. They may face in school, and they may face those problems and hurdles outside school. So it's very important to understand all those problematic concerns of students that students may face at any time. There may be number of hurdles and problems the students are facing, and they don't know how to resolve them, how to minimize the intensity of those problems or hurdles. So after removing or minimizing those problematic hurdles, they may be able to continue their studies perfectly. So for some time, students don't understand the answers of those problems or the techniques how to resolve those problems or how to minimize those problematic areas. So the role of teacher is very important to understand and provide the remedies and solutions to all those problems the students are facing or may face at any time during their learning process. So the role of administrator is also very important to understand how the administrator can perform his role related to guidance and counseling. There are a number of workers working in any institute under his supervision, and he is the head of the institute. And there may be a number of problems that may arise related to workers when they are working in any field. So how to resolve those problems and to minimize the threats and the problems? It's the responsibility of administrator to play his role and to provide proper guidance and counseling so that those problems may be minimized. So in previous lecture, we explained this role, the role of administrator in guidance and counseling. Similarly, we also discussed the role of teacher as career counselor for providing best solutions and information related to selecting best profession and career for future life, and for providing information related to different career opportunities at national level and international level to their students, so that the students may be able to find the better opportunity for selecting best career, so that that profession may be beneficial for him. So my dear students, today we are going to discuss another important role related to guidance and counseling personnel, and that is the role of librarians. लाइब्रेरियन का क्या रोल हो सकता है, इसके बारे में आज हम बात करेंगे डिटेल से। आपको पता है कि लाइब्रेरी एक ऐसी जगह है जहां मोस्टली स्टूडेंट्स बैठते हैं, जाते हैं और बुक्स पढ़ते हैं, डिस्कशन करते हैं। हाउ लाइब्रेरियन कैन प्ले हिज रोल related to providing proper guidance and counseling to students and learners. What responsibilities are there that as a librarian he should fulfill to play his role regarding guidance and counseling? So the main role of librarian is to help students to learn when they are away from the teachers through creating a learning environment. ये डिस्कस किया जा रहा है कि जब एक स्टूडेंट क्लासरूम सिचुएशन से बाहर होता है और वो टीचर से इंटरेक्शन में नहीं होता, then the role of librarian is very much important for providing the proper guidance and counseling to students. So here the idea is to establish such conditions and conducive environment of learning and to maximize the utilization of available materials. कि ऐसा माहौल बना दिया जाए, ऐसा कंड्यूसिव और साजगार माहौल बनाया जाए, ऐसी कंडीशंस बनाई जाएं जिसमें एक स्टूडेंट लर्निंग बेहतर कर सके अपनी। ही मे इम्प्रूव हिज आर हर लर्निंग फ्रॉम दैट कंड्यूसिव कंडीशंस एंड कंड्यूसिव एनवायरनमेंट, एंड द रोल ऑफ लाइब्रेरियन इन दिस रिगार्ड इज very much important. So in this regard, the librarian should familiar with the curriculum and keep informed about the current changes to update his material, and to remind faculty members of the various opportunities for using library resources in teaching. उसे तमाम टीचर्स को फैकल्टी मेंबर्स के साथ बेहतरीन रैपो क्रिएट करनी चाहिए और इंटरेक्शन में रहना चाहिए ताकि टीचिंग मटेरियल कौन सा रिक्वायर्ड है इसके बारे में वो डिस्कशन कर सके डिफरेंट टीचर्स से, so that the proper guidance and counseling may be provided to students in this regard. And also to bring new materials and library services to the attention of the faculty. वहाँ पे बहुत सा न्यू मटेरियल किस तरीके से लाइब्रेरी में लाया जा सकता है और लाइब्रेरी सर्विसेज को किस तरीके से इम्प्रूव किया जा सकता है ताकि फैकल्टी की अटेंशन को भी बेहतर बनाया जा सके और फैकल्टी को भी लाया जा सके वहाँ पे लाइब्रेरी में, एंड आल्सो प्रोवाइडिंग प्रॉपर काउंसलिंग टू स्पेशली स्टूडेंट्स. So my dear students, one of the important role of librarian is to help teachers in formulating library rules and regulations. How to formulate different library rules and regulations related to students, related to teachers, as well as for books, for using the library, for using online library resources. So the traditional role of librarian is as a custodian, selects, organize and services print and other media, and as a guide his role is very important, assisting users in searching and critically evaluating relevant information sources. He can guide students how to evaluate and critically evaluate the material and information provided. The role of public relation officer maintains good relationship with management, clients, other libraries and outside organizations. एक रैपो बिल्डिंग बनाना, एक रैपो क्रिएट करना, अच्छे रिलेशनशिप रखना मैनेजमेंट के साथ, क्लाइंट्स के साथ, क्लाइंट मीन स्टूडेंट्स के साथ, और अदर लाइब्रेरीज, डिफरेंट लाइब्रेरीज जो मौजूद हैं डिफरेंट इंस्टीट्यूट्स में, उनके साथ एक लाइजन रखना, उनके साथ एक रिलेशनशिप रखना, और अपनी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से बाहर और ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के साथ बेहतर और पॉजिटिव रिलेशनशिप रखना। ये भी एक ट्रेडिशनल रोल आता है लाइब्रेरियन का, जो कि लाइब्रेरियन को परफॉर्म करना चाहिए। So there are many roles of school librarians. Number one, as a leader. As you know, librarian is the person who can better guide and provide proper counseling to students, and he may play his role as a leader. As a leader, he can perform his duties for providing the solutions to students related to their problematic concerns. So his role is also as information specialist for providing the perfect and accurate information, the authentic information and the relevant information to students. What is happening and what is going on around the world, all over the world, and how all the institutes and different organizations are managing their libraries. What is the mechanism for using library at national level in our country as well as in other world, and what are the latest trends and researches going on. As you know, the teacher role is to provide information and to teach the student and to solve and handle different issues and problems, and to provide best suitable suggestions and recommendations to students so that they may be able to understand the problems and to minimize those problems. Librarian also play his role as a teacher for guiding and providing authentic counseling to students. So another role of school librarian may be as a program administrator. Actually, he is dealing with library, and library overall, we can say that handling the library is also a big task. So he is head of the library, so we can say that he can perform his role as administrator in that library. How to set rules and regulations of library, how to manage the information and the material, how to set the timings of library to use it, how to interact with teachers and students related to library facilities, how to provide innovative ideas, how to interact with different librarians in different organizations and educational institutes, and to arrange different workshops and seminars related to library system so that the proper information and authentic information be provided to students and teachers related to library facilities and the research going on all around the world related to how to use library in a better way, and especially in technological age, the concept of digital library is very much needed. And in this regard, librarian can guide and provide better counseling to his clients, for example, providing information and guidance and counseling to students, as well as providing guidance and counseling to teachers. So as a teacher, he encourages critical thinking skills and a love of reading. Critical thinking skills को कैसे एनहांस कर सकते हैं, किस तरीके से पढ़ाया जा सकता है। स्टूडेंट्स जो है वो इन्फॉर्मेशन को पढ़ने के बाद क्रिटिकल थिंकर बने, वो किसी भी इन्फॉर्मेशन को पढ़ने के बाद क्रिटिकली उसके ऊपर जायज़ा पेश कर सकें और उनके पास क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग स्किल्स होनी चाहिए दैट मे हेल्प देम टू अंडरस्टैंड द प्रॉपर सिनेरियो and he may implement those procedures and techniques and tactics for enhancing the love of reading. He also guides with skillful research. It means that librarian should have skillful in research. He should know about latest trends in research and to provide that information to teachers and students for proper understanding. And it's also very necessary for librarian to provide guidance and counseling how to teach ethical use of information. कुछ अखलाकी असूल होते हैं जिनको आपने फॉलो करना होता है। किसी भी जगह पे आप हों तो उन एथिकल असूलों को आप फॉलो करेंगे उस पर्टिकुलर सिचुएशन में। सो सिमिलरली in library situation, when you are going to study the material or information, then you have to follow some ethical standards and ethical procedures, how to use that information, how to use digital library facilities. So one of the role of librarian may be as information specialist. So what type of information? Especially in technological age, we are focusing on technology, uses technology to supplement school resources, how to use technology, and to provide proper information to students and teachers for using the relevant technology related to library. And the concept of digital library is also very important to understand, and to provide information to stakeholders so that they may be able to understand how to use digital library and what is the proper mechanism and procedures to follow, and what are the ethical issues and ethical standards that they have to understand and to follow it, as well as connecting students with global world. We are living in global world. We are connected with each other all around the world. So connecting students with global world is the responsibility of librarian. So he can guide and provide proper counseling in this regard for providing the best information and the authentic information to students as well as to teachers, and creating appealing learning activities. He should create such information and such conducive environment in which learning may be enhanced. वो ऐसी लर्निंग एक्टिविटीज़ को क्रिएट कर सकता है कि जो अपीलिंग हो, जो बहुत ही अच्छी हों, जो बहुत ही एट्रैक्टिव हों और स्टूडेंट्स को अच्छी लगें, और उनके अंदर स्टूडेंट्स और टीचर्स में एक ऐसी फ़ज़ा बना देना इन्फॉर्मेशन ऐसी प्रोवाइड करके कि वो लाइब्रेरी से मोहब्बत करें और लाइब्रेरी की तरफ आएँ, वो इन्फॉर्मेशन वहाँ से हासिल करने के लिए लाइब्रेरी आएँ। ऐसी लर्निंग एक्टिविटीज़ जो बहुत ही अच्छी हों, जो बहुत ही अपीलिंग हो, इनको क्रिएट करना, इट्स वन ऑफ द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ लाइब्रेरियन। Introduces students and staff to the newest technologies. नई टेक्नोलॉजी कौन सी आ रही है, पूरी दुनिया में क्या हो रहा है, और किस तरीके से हम उस रिसर्च को इस्तेमाल करके, उस इंफॉर्मेशन को इस्तेमाल करके, यूज़ करके हम उससे कितना बेनिफिट हासिल कर सकते हैं। तो इस हवाले से गाइड करना स्टूडेंट्स को और टीचर्स को और उनकी काउंसलिंग करना, it's also the responsibility of librarian. And assisting students and staff with technology to find and present information. The librarian may assist or should assist the students and staff with technology for finding out the ways for presenting information in a logical way, in a better way, in authentic way. And also, the librarian can play his role for evaluating technology, whether the technology is latest, is new one, or the old one. What type of technology we are using in our library and institute, and how to improve it. What is going on around the world. So how we can improve ourselves. हम अपने आप को कैसे बेहतर कर सकते हैं, हम टेक्नोलॉजी का बेहतर यूज़ कैसे कर सकते हैं, इसको एवेलुएट करना, इसका जायज़ा लेना भी लाइब्रेरियन का काम है। और इस हवाले से वो गाइडेंस भी प्रोवाइड कर सकता है और काउंसलिंग भी कर सकता है पूरे स्टाफ की, टीचर्स की और स्टूडेंट्स की। So as information specialist, he may focus on ethical use of information. Using information and the ethical use of information, both are very important. So focus on ethical use of information is also very important. Understand copyright laws. आप इंफॉर्मेशन को जो आप पढ़ रहे हैं, हासिल कर रहे हैं, आप डिजिटल लाइब्रेरी को यूज़ कर रहे हैं, तो वहाँ पे कुछ कॉपीराइट्स होते हैं कि किसका मटेरियल है जो आपने पढ़ना है, उसको यूज़ कैसे करना है, उसका रेफरेंस कैसे देना है, उसकी साइटेशन कैसे प्रोवाइड करनी है। तो इस हवाले से प्रॉपर गाइडेंस और काउंसलिंग प्रोवाइड करना भी लाइब्रेरियन का काम है। सो टीचर्स द एथिकल यूज़ ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन टू स्टूडेंट्स एंड स्टाफ। इस हवाले से वो टीचर्स को और स्टूडेंट्स को मालूमात फ्राहम कर सकता है कि हाउ टू यूज़ इंफॉर्मेशन एथिकली एंड व्हाट आर द एथिकल स्टैंडर्ड्स दैट यू हैव टू फॉलो। एंड एज इंस्ट्रक्शनल पार्टनर works with the school community to develop policies. So providing guidance and counseling related to developing policies for beneficial for school community. Librarian can play his role in this regard. In working with school community to develop curricula. Curriculum को बनाने के हवाले से लाइब्रेरियन हेल्प प्रोवाइड कर सकता है और वो बता सकता है कि कौन सी इन्फॉर्मेशन ज़रूरी है और स्टूडेंट्स की इंटरेस्ट क्या हैं, वो किस तरीके से रीडिंग करते हैं, उनकी रीडिंग हैबिट्स क्या हैं, स्टडी हैबिट्स क्या हैं, और ओवरऑल दुनिया में क्या हो रहा है लाइब्रेरी के हवाले से इंफॉर्मेशन। कोलैबोरेटिंग विद टीचर्स टू डेवलपिंग लर्निंग एक्टिविटीज़ टू कवर स्टैंडर्ड्स विच एम्फसाइज ऑन क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग स्किल्स, कि बच्चों की क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग स्किल्स को एनहांस किया जा सके, बढ़ाया जा सके। द यूज़ ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी एंड द प्रॉपर यूज़ ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी एंड सोशल एंड कल्चरल स्किल्स एज वेल एज इंफॉर्मेशन लिटरेसी स्किल्स। He can play his role as a guide and counselor to work with classroom teachers for creating learning goals and activities. किस तरीके से लर्निंग गोल्स को बनाया जाना चाहिए और वो कौन सी एक्टिविटीज़ हैं जो स्टूडेंट्स को लाइब्रेरी की तरफ लेके आ सकती हैं, इसको डिज़ाइन करना और इसको बनाना भी लाइब्रेरियन का एक रोल है। और वो स्टूडेंट्स को और टीचर्स को इस हवाले से गाइड कर सकता है। एंड वर्किंग विद क्लासरूम टीचर्स टू डेवलप असेसमेंट्स फॉर बिफोर, ड्यूरिंग एंड आफ्टर लर्निंग एक्टिविटीज़। इन तमाम स्टेप्स पे वो क्लासरूम टीचर्स की भी हेल्प प्रोवाइड कर सकता है कि वो अपने स्टूडेंट्स की बेहतर असेसमेंट कैसे कर सकते हैं। So we can say that the role of librarian as a guide and counselor is very important, and every librarian should play his role for providing better guidance and proper and authentic counseling to students and learners, even to teachers, and for providing the authentic information and knowledge related to library system, and to conduct seminars and workshops related to library, the use of library, for providing proper information related to ethical procedures and standards, how to use the library, and what are the ethical procedures that you have to adopt and follow as a student and teacher while you are in library, and for designing different policies and standard procedures for using digital library and maintaining the record, the books and the information in that particular library in a better way, and providing conducive atmosphere and the environment where the students may be able to join that library with more interest and motivation, and motivating them to use library facilities so that the teachers and students may be able to enhance their teaching learning process.